Your great-grandmother didn't have a skincare routine. 0 steps, 0 products. She washed her face, maybe with soap, maybe just with water. She put on a little cream in winter if her skin was dry. And then she got on with her day, without a skincare routine. No serum, no toner, no sheet mask, no retinol, no AHA, no exfoliating scrub with microplastics, no 12-step skincare routine. Her skin was fine. 70 years without a skincare routine. The daily shower is only about 70 years old. Before the 50s, most people didn't have an indoor shower. People bathed weekly, or less often. In the 1800s, well-off families bathed a couple of times a month. The poor, once a year. Daily washing meant face and hands with a wash basin. Humans lived for thousands of years with infrequent washing. No acne epidemic. No skincare industry worth $198 billion. No 10-step routines. What changed? Not the biology. The skin is the same. It's the amount of things we do to it that has changed. Think about what the industry added. The daily shower led to soap ads, led to body wash with SLS, led to dry skin, led to moisturizer, led to more ingredients, led to reactive skin, led to specialty products, led to even more ingredients, led to even more reactive skin. Each decade added a layer. Each layer created a problem. Each problem created a market. In the 1920s, there was soap. In the 50s came shampoo and body wash. In the 80s came anti-aging. In the 2000s came serum and essence. In the 2010s came the 10-step routine. In the 2020s, dermatologists started warning against all of it. It took 100 years to build the carousel. And now the experts are starting to say, step off. Your skin doesn't need a skincare routine. The stratum corneum, the outermost layer, needs 2 things: lipids, meaning fats, and water. The lipids keep water in. The water keeps the skin supple. Your body produces both. Sebum from the sebaceous glands. Sweat from the sweat glands. Natural moisturizing factor from the breakdown of keratin cells. The skin is a self-regulating system. It has worked for hundreds of thousands of years without intervention. It only asks that you let it do its job, and that you stop removing what it produces. So what do we do and not do? RenHverdag doesn't sell a cure. We sell an opting out. The opting out of SLS. The opting out of fragrance. The opting out of silicone. The opting out of preservatives. The opting out of 14 ingredients you can't pronounce. Our soap has 5 to 6 ingredients. You can read all of them. You know what they are. And you know what isn't in it. Because what isn't there is the whole point. We cure nothing. We promise nothing. We just refrain from making it worse. It's the most boring brand statement in the world. And it's the most honest. Spend the time on something else. My great-grandmother didn't spend 20 minutes in front of the mirror. She spent them on something she thought mattered more. I don't bathe every single day. I can't be bothered with scrub. I can't be bothered with 7 layers. I've tried. I gave up. My skin is on its own. And it's fine. That's not laziness. It's trust that the body knows what it's doing. Thank you for reading along. All 6 posts. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to buy anything. You now know what you know. And your grandmother would nod.